The Israel Defense Forces on Tuesday claimed to have killed a key Iranian commander named Ali Shadmani, whom it called Iran's wartime chief of staff. Iran has not yet confirmed Shadmani's death. Shadmani was recently appointed head of Iran's top wartime military command, Khatam al-Anbiya Central Headquarters. According to the IDF, he was a man with direct command over both the Iranian army and the elite Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps. He was also reportedly the closest military advisor to Supreme Leader Khamenei. In other words, one of the most powerful men in Iran's defense architecture. According to Israeli claims, Shadmani was killed in a targeted airstrike in central Tehran after intelligence pinpointed his presence at a command center. The IDF says the strike was based on sudden opportunity intelligence and executed swiftly. This comes days after Israel killed Iran's Major General Gholam Ali Rashid during its strikes on 13th of June when it launched Operation Rising Lion. Iran had promoted Shadmani to that position only days ago. What we are witnessing appears to be a clear strategy by Israel: decapitate the Iranian military leadership to cripple its ability to wage war. Prime Minister Netanyahu has stated that these operations have significantly set back Iran's nuclear ambitions. While he clarified that regime change isn't the objective, he admitted internal destabilization could follow. Iran, for its part, has not officially confirmed Shadmani's death, but its retaliation has been forceful. Tehran has fired more than 100 missiles targeting Israeli cities and military infrastructure. Early Tuesday, explosions rocked Tel Aviv, but Israeli emergency services reported no significant casualties in the latest barrage. On the other side, Israeli airstrikes in Iran have reportedly killed over 220 people, including civilians. Stay tuned for all the latest updates on the Israel-Iran conflict.
Want access to Business Standard's premium insights? Join our exclusive LinkedIn communities and connect with top voices in the BFSI space on topics that matter to you.